Sophia Oliver looked at the minuscule kitchen knife in her hand and felt lonely. She walked over to the window of her shed and reflected on her unsafe surroundings. Nevertheless, she had always loved the noisy Woodville Forest Park with its old, wooden trailers. It was a place that encouraged her tendency to feel lonely. Then she saw something in the distance, or rather someone. It was the figure of Zohan, aka the Asian babysitter. Zohan was a mighty gypsy, big-boned and with a beautiful Armani t-shirt. Sophia gulped, she had a bad feeling about him. She glanced at her frightened reflection and realized how much she feared hate crimes. She was a humble, caring Japanese who loved wine. Not only that, but she was going through a divorce and lost all of her money because she had to close down her small candy shop. Everybody loved her muffins, full of flavor. Once, she even won a Fresh Cake Award for her favorite and most treasured muffin with chili jam. She had the recipe from her granny, who got it from their ancestors. She wasn't prepared for what Zohan had in store for her. Furthermore, she felt trapped in her shed, like in a cell. The wind blew stronger at the same time. Someone knocked at the door, making Sophia puzzled. It was common to be a victim of hate crime in Woodville. Sophia tightened her grip on the knife and felt even more confused. She took an extra step back before she got herself together. She walked slowly toward the door and reached for the handle. The voices of two creepy uncles singing with the beat came through the window. Many people were doing their thing and had fun around camping fires. Then she opened the door,